Good morning, y'all. It is day 7, and honestly, I'm over it. Like, I'm very exhausted. My period is blowing me. If you guys don't know, I did come on my cycle on day 5, and it's been a whole month since my cycle has came. I didn't have my cycle all month last month, which made my husband think I was pregnant, but it was just my PCOS, and I think it was the what is the birth control coming out my system. So they said it takes 2 months to get out your system. It has officially been 2 months since I've been on birth control. I stopped birth control back in October. So this month made 2 months, and I'm gonna just say I'm not getting back on birth control, and we're not gonna prevent, if you guys know what that means. So we're not actively trying, but we're at this point in our life that if baby number 2 happens in the midst of me coming, getting my health together, things of that sort, then that's just gonna be happening. Y'all know how I feel about that. But that's basically what's going on. I'm gonna catch up with you guys later. I have to get baby girl ready so we can get ready to go to my mom's. During the week, if you guys didn't know, I work from home at my mom's house, and during the weekend, I work actually at home. So during the week, the reason why I go over to my mom's house is because honestly, my daughter, she don't know how to be quiet yet. She'll wait till like I'm getting on the phone, answering like, hello, thank you for calling, such and such, how may I assist you? Mommy! That's her. So to avoid all that, we go to my mom's house and she goes to my grandma's house to get watched or whatever. But that's it, that's all, and I'll catch you guys over there.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
What's up, y'all? I'm sorry I didn't come back and start vlogging or nothing, but I'm tired. AF is taking a toll on me. I guess it's because I didn't come on all month last month, so I'm like really tired. But this is part of my Vlogmas that I'm doing, and that is Babe's hair. If you don't know, I specialize in natural hair. No, I have not gone to cosmetology school yet, but once I move to where we're moving to, which you guys will know that soon. I plan to go to cosmetology school, y'all. And I may start my own business with hair, because I really like doing hair. I start locks, I do locks. Right now I started his locks using products because his hair is so soft. But now the majority of his hair is locked. The only part that is not locked and don't seem to want to lock for me is the top. So right now I am doing the interlocking method with crocheting his new growth into his formed locks. So let me show you guys. All right, so y'all see that new growth right there? I'm not using any product on his lock, as you can see. These locks don't have product on them, not at all. It looks kind of frizzy right now, but don't mind it right now because he needs a haircut. His fuzz is starting to grow back. But so I am going to try to show you guys how I'm doing it. Babe, let me see your hand. Hold the phone like this. All right. Thank you, right there. All right, so I'm going to interlock it. Thank you. Interlock it like that. In between his new growth, you see the end of the lock. I'm gonna take that and put it through there. and pull it through. And now it's interlocked. And now I'm going to twist. I'm going to twist with the palm of my hands. And you guys kind of see the gist, but he can't hold the camera and do it. But I guess you guys can see the gist, and I'm going to keep twisting and keep twisting until it's all the way tight. Some of his hair getting stuck on the other what you call it, the other clip. But I'm gonna untangle his hair on this other clip, and I'm gonna continue to twist this until I can't twist no more, and then pin him down. Good morning, y'all. So I'm just gonna tell y'all from Vlogmas day 7 to today, it's just gonna be, everything's gonna be into one until I figure out what I'm gonna do. Yo, I'm not off until Wednesday. I worked all of my off days this week for overtime. Today, I don't get off till 5. Tomorrow, I get off at 11 a.m. And I'm tired. I'm probably going to sleep as soon as I get off. Like, I think that's what I'm going to do. So we just brushed our teeth. We about to get dressed, me and Journey. My husband is going to do Grubhub. So we're going to my mom's house. That's where my laptop is. And then after that, I'm packing up all of my stuff to come home tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm going to be at home for the 3 days. Then Monday, Tuesday, I'm be at my mom's house. Then Wednesday, I'm off. Thursday, I'm be at my mom's house. Friday, I'm off. And Saturday and Sunday, I'll be back, home or whatever. And do it all over again. So, also tonight, I got to go to Amazon Flex. So, y'all, pray for me because your girl is sleepy. Okay, your girl is sleepy. And I still have to edit some stuff to get over on the family channel. So it's just a whole thing going on. But I'm here. Y'all, this video is going to be up today, but I'm here. Okay? Love you guys. Peace and blessings. I hope you guys Vlogmas and everything is starting off soon and starting off in the right way. Next week is all about cleaning. So, Johnny, what do you have? Bring it back in here. Stop throwing stuff when you get caught. Like, I don't understand that. Anyways, I hope y'all have stuff going great. Next week is just cleaning, and more cleaning. My in-laws are coming from Texas, so we are trying to get the house straight. Like, that is exactly what we're trying to do. So, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll probably come and do whatever day I don't record, do a day through whatever day I start recording and everything, and do an update and then put that up. Okay? Be blessed. Bye.